Ismail Gulgee, also simply Gulgee, was born October 25, 1926, died December 16, 2007. He was a Pakistani painter-artist. He was perhaps best known worldwide for his abstract work, which was inspired by Islamic calligraphy and was also influenced by the action painting movement of the 1950s and 1960s. Some people say that Elaine Hamilton was a strong influence on him. In both Islamic calligraphy and action painting, a high value is placed on the unity and energy of gestural flow. Gulgee's canvases were often quite large in the tradition of other action painters or abstract expressionists. Sometimes he used materials such as mirror glass and gold or silver leaf in his oil paintings. Therefore, in fact, they appeared to be mixed media pieces.